In this video, guys, I would like to tell you that I will create a textbook for you. So it means that every video has its own content here. So what we have done in the video, some links, for example, the code and so on will be here. So now we have the first video here. We spoke about the Tesla website. Here we have a Visual Studio Code. The link is here in the second video. In the third video, we try to set some settings. Okay, so it will be color theme, material icon, live server, autosave, okay, and word wrap. So if you need something, so just go to the description of every video and the link will be there. So if I will show you, for example, the third video, the link is here. The first and the second video has this link as well, and the rest, the videos of this course will have this link as well, of course. So you just go to the description, click here, and you can see the textbook, okay, if you need anything. So I hope it will help you to understand HTML language, and we can continue in the next video.